Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm trying to help somebody, and I've made two videos, part one and part two, and this might be the best way in either this or the intersect tool, but let's just do it like we did before with the graph paper. I've got it set on 4 columns. You need to set this first, 4 columns by 1 column, draw it out, and then you can set the size, and with this ratio unlocked, you can go 47 by 12. I think he's going to make it, or it's actually 24. Then take your item and go up to Object PowerClip and place inside frame, and then hit that. And then that puts it in the PowerClip frame, pretty much in the center, which it is. Then you can go to Object, Order, or Group, and Ungroup. And now these are individual pieces. I now think maybe leave the indexing lines so you can, or not the indexing lines, but the vector lines. And then that way you could butt that up against, have it, if you have snap to page on, snap it to there, and then the next one will do the same thing. Just let's rotate it 270 degrees. And I'm pretty sure that if you, your board's still going to have to be perfectly square. Your board's going to have to be perfectly cut. And you're going to have to use these red dot pointer just to make sure. And if you grab a node, you can put it right there. I'm still off. You can do it from the corner, from node to node. And you're still going to have to use a red dot pointer and maybe use some of the parts I showed in the second video. Because one, I don't think you want it engraving to the very edge of the paper or the page or the wood, but I think this might be your best shot yet. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.